Your SaveTrade's just got a whole lot smarter. Meet the new Statistics tab. With just one click, all the trades you've logged turn into a complete trading journal. No spreadsheets, no manual calculations. Instantly see your win rate, profit factor, performance grade, and other key metrics. Want to review today's performance? Or zoom out and analyze your entire trading history. Choose from 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 years, or max. Your data on your terms. The equity curve gives you a clear picture of how your realized P&L has grown over time. You'll also see your highest peak, biggest drawdown, and your best and worst trading days highlighted automatically. Keep scrolling and you'll uncover insights into your trading habits. See your trade expectancy, winning and losing streaks, and even which day of the week you tend to perform best. See exactly how your stock trades stack up against your options trades, side by side, with win rate for each. The P&L calendar gives you a heat map of every trading day, green for gains, red for losses, so you can spot your patterns at a glance. Top Performers shows your top 5 winners and top 5 losers by dollar amount, so you know exactly what's working. The Symbol Summary makes it easy to spot what's really working. Sort your trades by P&L, win rate, trade count, or alphabetically to quickly identify your strongest and weakest tickers. Need to dig into specific trades? Every closed trade is searchable and filterable. View all trades, day trades, short-term or long-term positions, winners, losers, options, or stocks, and find any ticker in seconds. Want to work with your data elsewhere? Export your entire trade history to Excel with a single click. Every trade tells a story. Now you can actually see it. Statistics, only on SensaMarket.